Canvas, the business model Canvas is a statistic management and learn the startup templates for the developing new document exists in the business model. Business model Canvas, it is the one of the one page document which is the work through the fundamental elements of business product structuring an idea in a coherent way. Okay, this is the sketch of business model canvas. There are total 9 blocks inside the business canvas model. You can see in this screen. First key parameter is known as a key partners. Second one is a key activities. Third one is a key resources. Fourth one is a value proposition. Next, customer relationship, channel, and customer segment, cost structure, and revenue stream. These these are the all blocks we will discuss one by one. First of all, we discuss why we use business model canvas. The first one is to quickly draw a picture of what the idea required. Business canvas model allow to us to get an understanding of your business and to go through the process to making a connection between what your idea is and how to make it is into the businesses. It look at what kind of customer decision influence the use your system. It allow everyone to get clear idea of what business like to use. Informally with description like a formal description of business become a building a block of every its activities. Many different business conceptual exist. There are total 9 infrastructure block inside the business canvas model. We will discuss each and every block in detail. First block, value proposition. In value proposition, the collection of product and services to business offer to meet needs of its customer. Accordingly to the company value proposition, its worst distinguishes it from its competitors. So what value you provide to your customer, so such as if you are uh, be, become a some product creativity, so these are the products you provide to your customers. Next, customer segments. Customer segment block we will discuss to build a effective business model. A company must be identify which customer to try to serve. Various set of customers can be segmented based on their different need and attributes. For example, who are your customer? So if you are some organize tuition classes, so students are your customers. Next one, some employees, some professional employees is your the customers. You give some provide the services. Next block, we will discuss the customer relationship. In customer in customer relationship, to ensure that survive the success of any businesses, company must be identify the types of relationship they want to create with their customer segment. Means here you can see some example. For example, in person one to one interact with our customer. We interact with the customer using the third party contracts. We interact with our customer with Facebook, etc., Instagram, etc., like online. We interact our customer through the some events. So these are the example how to interact with our customers. Okay, how to interact with our customer, so these are the example. You interact our customer with the email, with the Facebook, with the Instagram, and like a face to face or calling our customers. Okay, so these are the some example how to interact with the customer. Next block, we will discuss the channels. So there are two types of channel. First one is a sales and second one is a delivery channel. A company can deliver its value proposition to its target customer through the different channel. Effective channel will distribute the company value proposition in way that are fast. ओके मीन्स फॉर एग्जांपल हमें कुछ प्रोडक्ट बनानी है और वो प्रोडक्ट को सेल करना है तो हम कहाँ पे सेल करेंगे और कैसे सेल करेंगे तो दीज आर द एग्जांपल हियर यू कैन सी लाइक a social media public speaking email networking search engine optimization etc so for example our website so website through we can sell our products. Next one, we can use third party company. These use the delivery our product. And for example, हमने कोई एक शॉप ही है बनाई है हम वहीं पे ही प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं तो we can sell our product from the direct our shop.
नहीं मेरे को आ रही है मैं ज्वाइन ही हूँ मेरे को आ रही है
Anyone of you please answer me? Are you able to listen, Viren sir?
नहीं मैम, आपकी आवाज मतलब आ रही है लेकिन बहुत ऐसे डिस्टरबेंस आ रहा है।
डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है।
इको हो रहा है मैम, इको हो रहा है मैम आपकी आवाज का।
मेरी आवाज मीन्स वीरेन सर की आवाज तो आ रही है कि नहीं?
हाँ वो तो एकदम मस्त आ रही है।
क्लियर आ रही है ना? ओके ओके
हाँ मैम।
कंटिन्यू।
Okay, next block we will discuss the revenue stream. So how to generate our revenue to after the sale our products. Okay, so revenue stream are defined as the way by which our your business convert your value proposition or solution to the customer's problem into financial gain. Okay, it is also important to understand pricing your business according to pain of the purchase in exchange for your pain solving the problem of your customer. But how to gain your revenue? So there are some examples you can see here in a screen how to company earn a money. So first example is a commission. When some product we will sell through the commission. So commission is a one type of to earn a money. Second one is a subscribe. ओके सपोज कोई यूट्यूब चैनल है यूट्यूब चैनल पे आपने बहुत सारे वीडियो अपलोड किए और सब्सक्रिप्शन से भी आप अपनी कंपनी जो भी प्रोडक्ट है वो अर्न कर सकता है मनी. नेक्स्ट वन इज एडवर्टाइजिंग. एडवर्टाइजिंग थ्रू आप जो भी प्रोडक्ट बनाई है वो कंपनी अर्न कर सकता है तो एडवर्टाइजिंग. एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज अ फिक्स प्राइसिंग. आपने कोई प्रोडक्ट बनाई है वो प्रोडक्ट आपने सेल की थ्रू दी फिक्स प्राइस. ओके तो दीज आर द एग्जांपल हाउ टू कंपनी अर्न मनी जनरल.
हाँ रिपोर्ट નું સેમ્પલ હું આપી દઈશ. I'll give you a sample of this report, right?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
In your project report